Nourish you with Edu Masala. Second chapter, Gas laws and mole concept. First question, examine the data given in the table. Temperature and number of molecules of the gas are kept constant. Pressure, volume. 1 atm, 8 liter, 2 atm, 4 liter, 4 atm, 2 liter. A. Calculate P into V. Answer: 1 into 8 equal to 8, 2 into 4 equal to 8, 4 into 2 equal to 8. Therefore, P into V equal to 8. B. Which is the gas law related to this? Answer: Boyle's law. Second question. Analyze the situation given below and explain the gas law associated with it. A. A balloon is being inflated. The answer is Avogadro's law. That is, at constant temperature and pressure, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to the number of molecules. B. When an inflated balloon is immersed in water, its size decreases. Answer is Boyle's law. That is, at a constant temperature, volume of a definite mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. If P is the pressure and V the volume, then P into V is a constant. Third question. Certain data regarding various gases kept under the same conditions of temperature and pressure are given below. A. Complete the table. B. Which gas law is applicable here? Answer: Avogadro's law. Fourth question. A. Calculate the mass of 112 liter CO2 kept at STP and given that molecular mass equal to 44. Number of moles is equal to volume at STP divided by 22.4, which is equal to 112 divided by 22.4, that is equal to 5 mole. Mass equal to mole into GMM. GMM of CO2 equal to 12 plus 2 into 16, that is equal to 44 gram. Therefore, mass equal to 5 into 44, which is equal to 220 gram. P. How many molecules of CO2 are present in it? Number of molecules is equal to mole into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That is equal to 5 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Fifth question. Calculate the volume of 170 gram of ammonia at STP. Given that molecular mass equal to 17. Here number of moles equal to given mass divided by GMM, that is equal to 170 divided by 17, that is 10. And volume of STP, that is equal to 10 into 22.4. So the answer is 224 liter. Sixth question. Find out the number of moles of molecules present in the samples given below. GMM of N2 equal to 28 gram and that of H2O equal to 18 gram. A. 56 gram N2. Number of mole molecules is equal to mass divided by GMM, that is equal to 56 divided by 28. Therefore, the answer is 2. B. 90 gram H2O. Number of mole molecules is equal to mass divided by GMM, that is equal to 90 divided by 18, that is 5. Seventh question. The molecular mass of ammonia is 17. A. How much is the GMM of ammonia? Answer. GMM of ammonia equal to 14 plus 3 into 1. That is equal to 17 gram. Therefore, the answer is 1 GMM. B. Find out the number of moles of molecules present in 170 gram of ammonia. We know that number of mole molecules is equal to mass divided by GMM. That is equal to 170 divided by 17. So the answer is 10. C. Calculate the number of ammonia molecules present in the above sample of ammonia. We know that number of molecules is equal to mole into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That is equal to 10 into 0.022 into 10 raised to 23. Eighth question. The molecular mass of oxygen is 32. A. What is the GMM of O2? The answer is GMM of O2 equal to 2 into 16, that is 32 gram. B. How many moles of molecules are there in 64 gram of oxygen? How many molecules are there in it? Number of mole molecules is equal to mass divided by GMM, that is equal to 64 divided by 32 equals 2. And number of molecules is equal to mole into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, that is equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. C. Calculate the number of oxygen atoms present in 64 gram of oxygen. The number of oxygen atoms present in 64 gram of oxygen is equal to number of molecules of oxygen into atomicity of O2 molecule. That is equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into 2. That is 4 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Thank you.